You can access Career Coach through the Broward College website. Hover over Student Resources and hit Career Center Network. The link to Career Coach is on the right side of the page below the welcome message. You must create an account to access Career Coach. At the very top, you can search careers. The career page gives a broad overview of the career and programs Broward College offers in that particular field. You can also see information about wages, employment, and live job postings. There are assessments you can take by clicking on the top tab titled Assessment. After taking it, you'll be matched with careers to consider. The Careers tab allows you to browse the careers in different fields. The Programs tab lets you see the available programs in each pathway. And the Resume Builder is a tool that helps you create a resume by answering a few questions.